She was asking me about mahjong. She have friends just now the Amor one. Most of them are expats and stay in Penang like her 30, 40, 50 years. She wants to know the origin of mahjong.
Mahjong what mahjong? The Chinese
The history of it, the culture of it. I said I really don't know. I've watched people play mahjong, but I don't know the history of it. And for Marco, she wants to know. I'm thinking good also she can.
How they can some of this mahjong? Actually, this mahjong to me I don't know whether it's right or wrong for myself. It's a kind of game. It's a mathematics and IQ test. Because why you have 4 person in the group.
Okay.
Playing,
Yes.
so you can read the 3 others' minds. And the 3 others also can
Read your mind.
So you are all using your mind to think, to get to know something interesting.
Is it anything like poker and gin rummy?
Yes. Same also.
I was
so
telling
you
her.
see those people, those gamblers they are very high, very smart, very the thinking
Yeah.
and their mathematics, their calculation also
Very good, very fast one.
Yes. You don't tell them how much you can lose, how much you can win. What is the profit, what is this one. You don't ask them they will tell you very fast one.
Very fast.
And how many percent what is the percentage Oh, these are all very good one.
True.
Not like that's why Malay they don't play much.
They cannot.
See, their mind, their concept of thinking are slower.
Not the same.
You see those gamblers banyak cakap. The Malay those who play gambling, they also very good.
Yes.
Those gamblers they are all very good. Because they want to throw out that card they will need to know, if I throw this one I can kena power or not. Because why? If I throw people like I take, then you might get you saja bagi dia kena. Kena power, So you must think many times carefully.
Wow.
Cannot throw out this card,
Wow.
Because people are
Waiting for you.
Then you can see the card, the mahjong already displayed on the table. Table top there. So this number of people don't want mark. So what number is not there?
It's with you already.
So you having what number? What card are you having?
True.
So on the top there don't have. So that means the 3 others also having the same.
Same thing.
So 2 of them might have the same everything for me also. If I throw this one,
They will win already.
definitely finish lah. So they're very tricky, they're very clever, very genius one, You see the gamblers.
I only know how to play solitaire. I play solitaire on my
So you see
laptop.
this one the old auntie also they smoke and then they play, they smoke and then they play. You want to lie them
Cannot. They're always a few steps ahead of you
You can lie there about the new topic like this, the handphone. They don't know one You can lie them this But you lie there about this, that and then what is it?
Lebih makan garam
They will teach you back.
Yeah. And whatever as they say experience is the best teacher So this auntie, uncle, they already gone through so much. Who are we to go and teach them? Don't try and lie to them. Like you said all these high-tech gadget, new gadget things. Some of them may not know, but
even ourselves also
I also am not good.
People can use this phone a lot of things they can use but we
just basic.
the most is only video, sending over messages.
My brother said change your phone, get a better phone. I said and do what? For me important is can record the YouTube Facebook, WhatsApp. Okay, ready. I don't need anything else.
they use this one and they see the news lah.
Ha.
They share market lah.
Share market like
Then,
the auntie.
The meeting lah.
Mm,
As
mm,
a computer also lah. Sending email lah. All this they're using that.
Yeah.
But we are. Hello, 大家。冇啦，咪啦，抄粉落包好啦。佢話撚抄粉落包好啦。咁低啊？People not using for 抄粉，you know. Why you laugh?
It's true. I'm as guilty as you are.
Yeah lah, people they use really.
Use
they
to
make
order
use of the
food,
phone,
ah. Auntie lu lo liao boy. Kau lah. Tak mana kuat lah. Ayah.
That's why we feel we are very clever already. I already called, I already booked the place. This one already. I am very clever already. But we are, so far behind.
I think the only time I email is sent to YouTube lah. Go and appeal why they block me.
Can do the online banking lah.
Online banking I do. For transfer lah. To buy things.
They use the what? The
Lazada.
e-voucher.
Oh, that one all I don't know.
E-voucher.
Touch and go also I don't know.
E-voucher, touch and go, e-payment. And then somehow got the what? The big what? Big. Don't know lah. That one
The
also,
Bitcoin
Not Bitcoin.
That one I don't.
The Bitcoin.
I know about it, but I don't get involved anything like that. Touch and go, I got the account because of the day the government give the 50 ringgit one. If you download the My Sejahtera app, then if for that 50 ringgit you must open the Touch and Go account. I download the app for that only. But then they always keep on sending me messages. I also don't know for what. I got 1 ringgit only inside there.
The day they send, I also send like you. They give me 50 ringgit. And then the 50 ringgit you don't use. But the date also can expire. The money no have already, you know, gone one, you know. And then I don't know what to do. Then I see the message they send me. Like another how many days will be expired, right?
Oh my god.
And then I don't know. I will go to the petrol kiosk. I ask the boy, ini ya mau buat macam mana? Then the boy told me, Uncle, ini sekarang you boleh isi minyak. Dia kata saya tak tahu buat lah, saya tak tahu pakai lah. Saya tak apa, Uncle sekarang you buka macam ni, buka ini, buka itu. Okay, scan for me. Uncle pergi isi minyak.
I also don't know how to.
I don't know.
Sometimes my students teach me or Linda teach me. I also don't know. A lot Linda taught me lah. All this online banking lah. Then the Touch and Go, the 50 ringgit I use for Grab lah. I use for Grab payment.
The one you can purchase thing also can buy.
I
and
didn't
then you
know.
Go to market, I mean
Grocery shop.
Groceries.
Say go and scan. I don't know how to. I like to use cash lah.
And then, but now we have to use this one. We have to learn because
have to learn.
It's very risky.
Yeah lah.
People got the COVID one.
Then you go and touch.
Very risky.
Must learn lah.
People take more money out.
Ayo.
You kaya lah. Now people don't take money already. People use this one only. I scan here, scan there only.
Scan. As I some of the Alan customer also ask her put the app, the Touch and Go one. They want to use the app. She said she don't want. She also don't know how to use, how to link to her account. Then she said, you got cash, you come and buy for me lah. No cash, don't buy for me lah. Make it easy.
Afterward, we cannot get the money.
Yeah lah, you cannot. That's why she said she don't know how to, link to her account lah, what lah.
But actually, we have to learn.
Murti also don't have in his shop.
We are all uncle, auntie.
We are old already.
Our school time don't have computer We are using the typewriter. But now young generation people they respect us only. They say our English is good. Because I took many of these students, you know. One student that day that night from BM1 from the BM the railway station go back to this nearby Kulim there lah.
Okay.
Suddenly he asked me, Uncle, said, yes. Why? Uncle, why your English is so good now?
Someone can ask why your English is so good.
I said, my English is good. I'm so sorry. My English is horrible. Say, I can only speak normal English, conversation English, not good. They say, no, you people is good because you speak very fluent, very easy. Not like us. I said, so what do you mean by that? He said, I can speak. I said, you can speak, but you must learn to speak.
Yeah, lah.
Because you're still young, ma. You have to go. A long way to go, ma.
Long way to go.
You're expired already.
Expired date. Expired date has passed already.
You want to go
Going
interview,
on
some people
borrowed
don't want to
time.
take us
People don't want to take. That day I went with Jason in interview. They look at me up and down. Then I told them, I say no lah. I just follow my friend come only. I'm not coming for interview lah. Then he laugh.
So I say you want to learn English is very easy, simple. The first thing, you don't be shy. Don't be ashamed.
True.
Okay? So you must speak.
Ha.
When you speak, you must come out the voice. Don't speak quietly.
Quietly.
Decide for yourself. You cannot know
True.
whether are you learning or not. Are you
True.
improving?